Today I will be making order in my spice rack. It's all stored behind the frosted glass and I'm usually finding what I'm looking for. But sometimes my seasonings are beginning to live their own life, switching the places or getting the twins. So time after time I'm pulling them out, checking expiration dates and moving them around here and there. As I said, I'm keeping all my spices in one place, and I know that it's better to have them out of the direct light, but it's very convenient to reach out for them from my working place on the countertop and move on to the stove. So follow me as I go and I will share my way to organize the spice rack and some tricks on saving a little bit money and space. I will be taking all my spices out. I love all the colors and scents, and also it makes me happy to see this variety, especially because I grew up in the Soviet Union with the shortage of even essential things, so our dishes got mainly the taste from salt and black pepper, garlic and onion, and the bay leaf. Needless to say that everything tasted a little bit uniform. But nowadays, I'm tending to get a uniform look for my seasonings and avoid unnecessarily buyings. I'm preferring to grow my oven herbs on the balcony in the summer. Besides that they are fresh, they also cost less than dried and packed ones. Avoid getting multiples. I believe I got those poppy seeds for the same Christmas projects a couple of years apart. Reminder to myself, be realistic when planning the projects that never will take a place. Remove expired seasonings. Here is another one. I guess I just couldn't part with the turmeric, and to be honest, it's still fragrant. But 5 years after the expiration date, I guess it's time to cut boundaries and reuse the jar. I prefer this spice brand because of their quality, but also for the look of containers and their excellent airtightness, so began to collect those a chunk of years ago. However, the price is a little bit on the high end here in Luxembourg, so I'm usually purchasing something least pricey like cinnamon or something double packed like saffron. And when they are used till the bottom, I'm filling empty glasses with another brand seasonings. I'm not buying seasoning mixes and making my oven blends because the most of ingredients are already in my cupboard. And for the missing ones, I try to find the substitutes. And another reason why I'm mixing the spices myself is because it's easier to find, for instance, American recipes in internet than to find American seasonings in Europe. I'm sure you know what I mean.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. And get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
For the uniform look, I'm printing the labels. And for this, I'm using my demo labeling device and clear label type. And the spices are from the French brand Albert Menace. I will put the links below if you want to check them.
understand that we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
By the way, over the years the branding is slightly changed, hence different color lids, but I guess I can cope with that.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Back to the clean shelf. The seasonings that I'm using just occasionally, I'm putting behind the frequent used, and then also less beautiful containers I'm hiding in the second row. I'm putting them in alphabetical order because I would like to be organized. I have to be fair, I'm not a spice expert in any means, and I'm sure that many of you are much better than this, but here is my way and some tricks from non-expert to the non-experts. Grow your own herbs if you have a possibility. Make your own seasoning blends, especially for those dishes that you are cooking just occasionally, and shop for substitutes in your own kitchen. This will save you some money and space. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up and smash this subscribing button. Also share it with those to whom it might be useful. Thanks for watching, greetings from Luxembourg, and see you in the next one. Eddie!